In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a document to sign in DocuSign. First things first, let's log into your DocuSign account. You'll need to use your email and password to access your account, so go ahead and do that. It's important to ensure that you're using the correct credentials to avoid any login issues. Once you're successfully logged in, the next step is to start a new envelope or document. On your dashboard, you'll typically find a New or Start button. Click on that, and you'll see an option like Send an Envelope or something similar. This is what you'll want to select to kick off the process. Now, if you think you'll be creating this type of document frequently, there's a handy feature that allows you to create a template. This can save you a lot of time in the future. Now that you've set the stage, it's time to upload your document file or files. Whether you're working with PDFs, Word documents, or other formats, simply add them here. For those of you who like to store your files in the cloud, you can also import directly from cloud storage, provided your account has this support. The next important move is to add your recipients or signers. Here, you'll specify who will be signing the document and, if there are multiple signers, in what order they will sign. It's crucial to assign the correct roles too, such as signer, viewer, or CC, based on what's needed for each individual. Now, let's dive into placing signature fields and other form fields. This is a really intuitive part where you drag and drop signature fields, dates, text boxes, check boxes, and anything else you need onto the document. You get to decide where these fields go so that when the recipient opens the document, the process is straightforward for them. Make sure to specify which recipient each field applies to and whether it's required. If you're working with an already fillable PDF, DocuSign might automatically detect some fields for you, which can make your job a little easier. Before we wrap things up, set the email message and any reminders or routing options. The email subject and message are what your signer will see first, so make sure they're clear and informative. You also have the option to set up reminder schedules, expiration dates, and other settings to keep the process smooth and timely. Finally, it's time to review your work. Preview the entire document to ensure all fields are accurately placed and everything looks just right. Once you're satisfied, click on Send. Your recipients will then receive an email or access link to sign the document. And that's it. You've just created a document ready for signing in DocuSign. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and feel confident using DocuSign for your document signing needs.